traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video belongs to a new playlist. I have promised this to you on Monday in my last video that I will start a new playlist. This playlist will call be Trading Hints, and I will do here some kind of eye-opening stuff for you where I'm going to show you why trades of my BOTT mentorship program students are gone wrong. Yes, gone wrong, and why and how they could avoid this. So, and in which relation it is with the ebooks and with the stuff which I'm providing with the video packs. So I tell you exactly what's happening here. Yes, we have here. Let me show you this. We have here a prolonged downtrend, a pullback. Here you see breakout of this round number, pullback from this round number, yes, and then we have a downtrend coming up. Here we have an exhaustion candle, yes, but this is not everything, yes, it's not only an exhaustion candle, it's also some kind of a morning star, yes, and obviously we have here a morning star upcoming. So and a no rejection trading setup. Yes, I will show you this more in detail in a few seconds. That is the analysis. Yes, you do here downtrend. You see the alignment of the EMAs. We have here the 50 downwards. Yes, the 20s looking downwards, but the problem is we reached here already the peak of the trend. That means we had already a long downtrend. Here we show that a pullback from the one deviation is showing, in this case, some kind of weakness in the trend. Then we have here some kind of buying area, buyers pressure, because the buyers are pushing against it, but the downtrend was still pretty strong. And then we got an exhaustion candle, yes, and after exhaustion candle, you should be prepared to do a call option below the closing price of the previous candle and not doing a trend continuation trade here in this kind of downtrend. The problem here is if you do a put option here as a trend continuation, then try to enter above the closing price of the previous candle. So let me show you now what I want to show you so that you understand what kind of concepts in my ebooks, yes, and those kind of videos which I'm doing here, this trading hints videos, are exactly the same like those ones which are in the videos, self-study packs, yes, where I explain everything, what's gone wrong and what's gone bad good. That is explained everything. So let me show you this, what I want to show, because I get so many questions from so many of my audience. They want to know which kind of concept is to apply where, and I will show you this now exactly. So we have here this kind of morning star. So the first thing, let me show you this, is this one here in the ebook. Yes, you know, we have here the price action guide. This is the black one. Then we have the price action bible, it's the white one. Then we have the video packs. Yes, there are 4: the video pack 1, video pack 2, video pack 3, and video pack 4, each on a special level. And then we have the BOTT mentorship program. Yes, and here important is those kind of trades which I'm showing in the trading hints videos. Yes, this is a new playlist. I will show those kind of trades of my students, yes, and I will explain them more in detail. So the first concept is this one here. It's let me show you this. It's this kind of no rejection trading setup. You see this here, for example, yes. Here, this is a no rejection trading setup, part 2. Part 2, okay, this is if you have the price action guide or if you have the BOTT price action bible. On the BOTT price action bible, it's at page 209. Let me show you this. 209. Yes, here, BOTT price action bible here. Yes, the BOTT price action bible, part 2, yes. Rejection part 2 here, yes, and here you see number 5, reversal pattern, healthy downtrend, call option below previous candle closing price. Yes, that is what I have written here on this number 5. Yes, and you can see here page 88 on the price action guide for those one who has the price action guide, and for those one who have the price action bible, they find the same concept here on the page 209. That is this one. You see, look at this, it's exactly that what this gone wrong here. Yes, you see, Morningstar, no rejection trading setup, this was a call. Yes, that one here was a call. You see, it's unfolded, and that was here also a call because it was an exhaustion candle. This upper shadow is showing buying pressure. Yes, so you can do a call, but you could do also a put. But if you are doing a put, you should try to get into the trade below or above the closing price of the previous candle, like I have explained so often in my other deep explanation videos and in my live trading videos. So okay, that is concept number one. So did you understood this? That this was concept number one, no rejection trading setup. Yes, you see, it's exactly like this what I have explained here. And the next candle will be a bullish one. That means the next candle here was a bullish one. Yes, so okay. The next concept is the concept of the Morningstar. So let me show you this. Let me search for it. You can search in your PDF file. Yes, Morningstar. Yes, so, and then what's happening here? I think I have to stop the video recording software. Okay, no. Okay, that is a Morningstar. So you see what is shown here in the price action guide. You see here the Morningstar, your entry should be, and your rejection should be from the support level, EMA, Fibonacci level, Bollinger Band, support and resistance trend lines, yes? And then you enter into a call. That is the Morningstar. So we have now the no rejection trading setup, which was this one. Then we have the Morningstar, yes, in this kind of phase, and you see it's exactly that. So the next one concept on this, because after this candle, what will happen? That is a common mistake. That is a trading hint what I'm giving you, yes, is a let me show you this. That will be at the end a retest and retracement back to this level, yes, or to this level where the round number is. So when on the next candle, or you get a rejection from the round number area, yes, or you get a rejection from the upper shadow of the doji here. Yes, that are the two levels where you have to get a rejection before you enter into a call, because we have here this kind of double top. We have here the neckline, which goes in concurrence with the 1 deviation Bollinger Band. Then we got the simple pullback at the 1 deviation Bollinger Band, and then we got a downtrend. And the trend is here nearly over. I have shown you this in another concept where I talked about the end of a trend, what the upper shadow is telling you at the end of a trend, what the upper shadow is telling you at the beginning of a trend. Yes, here the new trend started based on the pullback, and the upper shadow here is showing selling pressure. This upper shadow here, yes, is showing buying pressure because the trend ends. Okay, so the next candle will be this one. That price will retrace back to this level or this level. Depending on this rejection from this level or this level, you can enter into a call or waiting for the next candle, because we have a strong downtrend. It can be that the next candle will close to this level here. So you have to be sure that you enter below this level here, yes? It's not enough that you enter exactly on this level. You have to enter below this area here or below this area here, yes? This one here or this one. And then you can do this. Or you have patience, yes, you are patient and wait that this next candle is formed, and you enter on a call in the next candle when this candle here will stop at this level or at this level. Okay, that is what is all about. That was the first video about trading hints. Those kind of explanation videos can be found also in the self-study module, yes, and I will show you now from now on every week again and again those kind of trades which gone wrong by my students, and more in detail what you can do better for and what you can change on your own trading style when you see this kind of mistakes. Yes, if you want to do a put option here like this has done my student, there is only one reason to do this, and that is above the closing price, entering above the closing price of the previous candle. That would be somewhere here, and then this would be gone in the money, and that would be also a good trade. It's not always only one way to do this, yes, but you have to understand what the market is showing you on the chart. Okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.